pH in our digestive system. स्टमक में कौन सा एसिड होता है? स्टमक में होता है हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. और what is the use of hydrochloric acid? It helps in digestion of food without harming the stomach. Indigestion जब होता है तब क्या होता है? Stomach produces too much acid which causes pain and irritation. तो इस टू मच एसिड को न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? People use bases which are called antacids. A very common antacid is milk of magnesia, which is actually magnesium hydroxide, which neutralizes the excess acid. pH change as the cause of tooth decay. After eating, if food particles and sugar is left in the mouth, then what happens? Bacteria present in the mouth will degrade these sugar and food particles and it will result in the production of acids. This acid corrodes the tooth enamel. अब tooth enamel क्या होता है? Tooth enamel is made up of calcium hydroxyapatite, which is a crystalline form of calcium phosphate, and it is the hardest substance of the body. ये water में तो dissolve नहीं होगा, लेकिन अगर mouth का pH below 5.5 हो जाएगा, then it gets corroded. So whenever bacteria acts on the sugar and the food particles present in the mouth, it will degrade the sugar and the food particles and result in the production of acids. अब acid produce होगा तो mouth का pH क्या हो जाएगा? It will go below 5.5, resulting in the corrosion of the tooth enamel. What is the best way? Best way to protect the teeth? It is to clean the mouth after eating food and using toothpaste which are basic in nature for cleaning teeth and can neutralize the excess acid and prevent tooth decay. Next is self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Bees use this for self-defense. Then there are stinging hair of nettle leaves. They inject methanoic acid causing burning pain. And to neutralize this acid, mild base like baking soda can be applied on the stung area. Now, questions which can be asked from these three topics. First, which acid is found in the stomach? Answer will be hydrochloric acid. Then, antacid. Name a compound used as antacid. Answer will be magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia, which is a mild base. Then, what is the chemical composition of the tooth enamel? Answer will be crystalline form of calcium phosphate, also known as calcium hydroxyapatite. What is the pH of the mouth? pH of the mouth lower than 5.5. What causes tooth decay? Acids produced by the degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating cause tooth decay. And what produces these acids? The bacteria present in the mouth. Now, in self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare, in this topic, the question which can be asked is, which acid or which compound is present in the stinging hair of nettle leaves? Answer is methanoic acid. What is applied on the stung area? Answer will be mild base like baking soda. So these are the questions which can be asked from these topics.